My dearest friends, imagine discovering a timeless secret, something powerful and deeply nurturing, hidden not in a fancy jar, but right in your own kitchen. A secret that promises to turn back the clock, giving you that youthful glow you might have thought was long gone. We often believe radiant, firm, and truly younger-looking skin requires expensive treatments and endless products. But what if I told you that the most amazing anti-aging remedy, a true wrinkle fighter, has been patiently waiting for you all along? If you learn to use this humble natural ingredient correctly, it has the profound ability to make you look years younger, revealing a more vibrant you that's simply breathtaking. Don't miss out on unlocking this incredible transformation with ease and grace. It's wonderful to reconnect with all my beautiful sisters who loved our previous discussions on ancient natural beauty secrets, especially that incredible Ayurvedic herb for skin brightening and anti-aging. Your enthusiasm sparked a desire within me to bring you even more natural home remedies, and today I've got another true gem. We're about to explore an amazing home remedy that is extraordinarily potent for anti-aging. It's easy to get caught up thinking expensive creams, serums, and elaborate treatments are the only way to tackle aging concerns. However, the remarkable truth is that the most powerful anti-aging ingredients are often hidden in plain sight, readily available in our kitchens, brimming with untapped potential. Today, we're going to talk about one such unassuming yet incredibly potent ingredient, cinnamon, or as some call it, dalchini. You may have heard whispers of cinnamon's beauty benefits and its anti-aging properties before, but without the full understanding and correct application, its true power remains largely dormant. So, today, let's unveil the complete picture. We'll delve into why cinnamon is genuinely fantastic for anti-aging, explore the fascinating science behind its effects, and most importantly, I'll teach you the right and most effective ways to incorporate cinnamon into your beauty regimen to help you reclaim years of youthfulness. Cinnamon is far more than just a delightful spice that adds warmth and flavor to our food. It's a phenomenal ally for our skin's health and beauty. Scientifically, it's celebrated for boosting blood flow, significantly stimulating collagen production, brightening your complexion, and ultimately bestowing a radiant glow. When harnessed correctly, this spice holds the key to making you appear years younger than your chronological age. The first miraculous reason cinnamon stands out as an anti-aging wonder is its ability to stimulate collagen production. Collagen, as we all know, is the essential protein responsible for keeping our skin firm, tight, and plump. It's the scaffolding that maintains our youthful contours. As we gracefully age, collagen naturally diminishes and breaks down, leading to the unfortunate sagging skin, fine lines, and wrinkles that often become unwelcome guests. Remarkably, cinnamon contains unique compounds that actively help synthesize or produce more collagen. This makes it one of the very few natural ingredients capable of such an important task, leading to visibly firmer, tighter, and gorgeously glowing skin. Secondly, this incredible spice is an anti-aging powerhouse due to its incredibly potent antioxidant protection. Cinnamon is absolutely packed with polyphenols and flavonoids, which are exceptionally powerful antioxidants. What do these antioxidants do? They diligently combat free radicals, those unstable molecules that wreak havoc on our cells and are primarily responsible for accelerating the aging process. In essence, free radicals are one of the main culprits behind visible aging, so anything we can do to protect ourselves from them is a direct anti-aging action. Cinnamon's antioxidants valiantly fight these damaging free radicals, and as an added benefit, they also help reduce pigmentation and brighten dull skin, giving you an even and vibrant complexion with consistent use. The third reason for cinnamon's marvel is its remarkable ability to improve blood circulation, which in turn gives your skin a beautiful, natural glow. Healthy and vibrant skin absolutely depends on good blood circulation. Without it, essential oxygen and vital nutrients struggle to reach every corner of your skin, eventually resulting in a tired, dull appearance. That's why many of us engage in practices like face massages, lymphatic drainage, and consuming antioxidant-rich foods. Cinnamon fits perfectly into this strategy by naturally boosting your blood flow, carrying that precious oxygen and nutrients directly to your skin, imparting that desirable, healthy, pinkish glow, a radiant flush that makes one look youthful, beautiful and vibrant, simultaneously preventing that overall fatigued and aged look. Finally, cinnamon offers an anti-aging miracle through its powerful antimicrobial properties, which are crucial for maintaining clear, healthy skin. As our skin ages, it often becomes more sensitive, prone to unexpected breakouts, and can experience textural irregularities. What makes cinnamon so unique and invaluable is its strong antibacterial and antifungal properties. These qualities help keep your skin exceptionally smooth, clear, and free from various infections. This is particularly beneficial for those with sensitive skin who might experience fungal acne or easily react to certain foods or skincare products, maintaining clarity and comfort as skin changes over time. Now that we understand the profound why behind cinnamon's anti-aging prowess, equipped with this invaluable knowledge and the clear reasoning, you can make informed decisions for your beauty and future product choices, confident in understanding how your body biologically works with these ingredients. Let's now move on to the practical how-to, the right ways to effectively use cinnamon for its anti-aging benefits. We'll begin with internal consumption, nourishing your beauty from within. A wonderful first option is incorporating cinnamon tea into your daily routine. Simply boil about half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder in a cup of water and drink it once daily. For optimal anti-aging results, the best time to enjoy this tonic is in the morning on an empty stomach. Not only will it work wonders for your skin, but this habit also improves your blood sugar balance, a crucial factor in slowing down the overall aging process, and as we've discussed, it provides a powerful boost to your circulation. Another easy method is to use cinnamon as a convenient add-on to your meals. A small pinch of cinnamon powder can be added to your morning coffee, oatmeal, yogurt, or even blended into your favorite smoothie. These regular, small daily doses significantly enhance your antioxidant intake and play a vital role in preventing glycation. Glycation is a process where excess sugar binds to your precious collagen fibers, breaking them down, hindering new collagen production, and essentially accelerating your journey toward visible aging. While glycation is a natural part of our digestive process and unavoidable, you can absolutely slow down this detrimental process with cinnamon's help. Furthermore, its renowned antioxidant properties continue to fight those harmful free radicals, effectively battling aging, pigmentation, and dull skin from the inside out. For a truly potent internal tonic, consider creating a golden mix by blending cinnamon with honey and lemon in warm water. This powerful concoction will not only significantly boost your immunity system, but is also recognized as one of the best anti-aging tonics available. You can enjoy this delightful mixture every single morning. However, my dear friends, it's essential to remember that natural remedies require persistence and discipline. You cannot expect radical changes after just a few days or weeks. Consistent regular use will allow your body to adapt, showing internal and external results that will gradually reveal noticeable changes in your beauty over time. For external anti-aging benefits, there are two fantastic methods to consider. First, try the Honey Cinnamon Glow Mask. While I haven't personally used this, many friends rave about its popularity and effectiveness. Simply mix 1 teaspoon of raw honey with just a pinch of cinnamon powder. Apply this gentle paste to a clean face, leave it on for about 10 minutes, and then wash it off. You'll notice an instant improvement in smoother, glowing, and brighter skin. With consistent application, this glow mask can contribute to a visible reduction in fine lines and wrinkles. The second method involves a cinnamon oil massage. For this, you'll need to purchase a high-quality cinnamon essential oil, as it's difficult to make at home. Mix just 1 or a few drops of this essential oil with a carrier oil, such as almond oil, and gently massage it onto your face. This delightful ritual greatly improves blood circulation to the skin and naturally contributes to a firmer complexion. Remember, true beauty and profound anti-aging come not from fleeting, random remedies, but from a holistic approach. This channel and our wonderful community of beautiful sisters believes in the power of becoming the most radiant version of yourself, confidently looking 10 or even 15 years younger. This requires a dedicated approach, which is why we offer scientifically backed insights into skincare, anti-aging, diet, nutrition, and personality glow-up, covering all aspects of holistic beauty. If it's your dream to achieve this vibrant transformation, our resources are here to support you every step of the way, guiding you with biological reasons and scientific understanding behind every suggestion. We believe in research, discipline, and unwavering consistency. These are the true foundations of lasting beauty. But my dearest ones, there is one absolutely paramount ingredient for beauty, one you cannot purchase or ingest. It must be cultivated from deep within, your profound positivity. You need to approach this journey with more positivity than doubt, with an unshakable faith in yourself and in nature's wisdom that these remedies and solutions are destined to work for you. Believe with all your heart that you are meant to look 10 or 15 years younger, that you are destined to become the most beautiful version of yourself. This strong, unwavering positivity, this fervent faith is essential. You might invest in the most expensive treatments, consume the most exotic foods, and diligently follow every regimen. But if that vital spark of inner positivity and faith is absent, truly, it will not yield its full magic. With faith, we are told, you can move mountains. And what is beauty but something you already possess? Affirm to yourself every single day that you are the most beautiful person in the world. Declare it with confidence, embracing your best features, knowing that your radiant beauty astonishes those around you. Be wonderfully unreasonable in your affirmations. Be crazy with your belief. You will begin to vibrate at the frequency of beauty itself, attracting it into your reality. I personally believe that my own faith and positivity in beauty have allowed nature to reveal its gifts to me, guiding me towards solutions for my skin and anti-aging journey. Embrace that profound positivity, my dear friends. I wish you boundless love, immense luck, and overflowing joy on your beautiful journey. Take exquisite care of yourselves. I'll be back soon with another video filled with more secrets and insights. Bye-bye.